What if I told you there's a way to simplify your financial life, make payments easier, and maybe even earn a little extra on the side? You're probably thinking, yeah, right? Another app promising the moon. But trust me, this one's different. It's called Onpay, and it's about to become your new best friend. In today's fast-paced world, managing finances can be a real hassle. From bills and payments to savings and investments, it can feel overwhelming. That's where Onpay comes in. Think of Onpay as your personal financial assistant. It's designed to streamline your financial transactions, making your life easier and more efficient. Step 1. Finding the app. The first step is to find the Onpay app. You can do this by searching for it on your smartphone's app store. Just type Onpay into the search bar and hit enter. Once you've found the app, tap on it to view more details. Make sure you're downloading the official Onpay app to avoid scams. Step 2. Downloading the app. After verifying that it's the correct app, tap the Get or Download button. The app will start downloading to your device. The download time will depend on your internet connection speed, but it should be relatively quick. Step 3. Installing the app. Once the download is complete, you'll need to install the app. This process is usually straightforward. Just tap on the downloaded app and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process should take only a few seconds. Step 4. Creating an account. After installing the app, you'll be prompted to create an account. This is necessary to access all the features of Onpay. The registration process is usually quick and easy. You'll typically need to provide your name, email address, and a strong password. Step 5. Verifying your account. In some cases, you may need to verify your account before you can start using it. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access. The verification process usually involves entering a verification code that is sent to your email or phone number. Step 6. Exploring the app. Once your account is verified, you're ready to explore the Onpay app. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the different features and functions. The app's interface is typically user-friendly, so you should be able to navigate it easily. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to help you get the most out of the Onpay app. Link your bank accounts. Connect your bank accounts to Onpay to easily manage your finances. Set up bill payments. Automate your bill payments to avoid late fees. Explore investment options. Learn about the investment opportunities offered by Onpay. Take advantage of rewards. Earn rewards and cashback for using Onpay. Stay updated. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Onpay app. Now you can start enjoying the benefits of a simplified financial life. With Onpay, you can make payments, manage your finances, and even earn rewards. It's a must-have app for anyone looking to streamline their financial transactions. So what are you waiting for? Download the Onpay app today and start experiencing the difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.